We're setting up Dark Princess today. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're setting up. This is not this one. I don't know how to say her name. You guys can try to say it in the comments. We are not setting this one up. Absolutely not. Now you're gonna ask, who's in this box? Well, you guys might know because of the video I just posted. So I meant the two videos I just posted, including her. But look who we're setting up today. We're gonna hand one of our hands. Look at how cool her hand looks. And then you can pose it pretty much. We're gonna keep it like that. Because why not? Go on that. Got another hand. I'm not in the middle of the screen. You guys see how messy it is. I got my drawing pens, I got my keyboard, I got a piece of paper. The script for a video. Here's our other hand. It's pretty much the same thing. The tree branch arms. That's what I call them. That's what they look like. I think you guys know what's coming up next. Her hair is stuck. I know her hair's a little messy. Here's her face. I like how they did her face. The only thing is that all down here and the side of her head. Yeah, but she looks pretty cool. Her hair's really messy. I don't have Roblox for her anymore. I don't know where it went. I'm gonna set that down. Control box. This was the control box that people were thinking that was Convulsive Nurse or Cotton Kitty Dan or Emmeline. No, Emmeline's is on the base itself. Mechanism. Some people wonder how it works. You guys are gonna see in a second. Alright, let me pick that up. It goes like that. And this is the module. No, that's the module. I get confused. Holes. These two have these things on them. And then this one just has nothing. It's a bland pole. I'm sorry, pole. You weren't loved. There's a K in here. And a face. Her hair got stuck on this, so yeah. So I'll pull out some of her hair, just like a few strands. That's it. The base. The base is huge. Not really as big because Emmeline's base is huge. I think Ringmaster's base is bigger than that. Bigger than Emmeline's. Well, I don't need this anymore. You might be wondering where is her body because her body cannot fit in that box. Here's her body. Pretty much everything's in there. Her hip loop and stuff is in there. Her sensor, her this thing, where her head goes on. You guys might see everything on the side. Don't worry about that. I totally didn't get that for cheap. We're gonna start with the base. We're gonna start with like both of them pretty much. Hope the base is no one. And then you just snap lock them. One. Different speed, so you just pick it up and then. Well, no. this side is B and this side's B. No, this side's A, this side's B. Next is gonna be these. Also, I forgot to mention that you guys are gonna need cotter pins too. So I'll show you guys why. I have some, unless if I lost them. I always seem to lose them for some reason, and I keep them in a little baggie, but I always seem to lose them. These two. You guys are gonna need these. So I got to put this on. So you're just gonna do this. Boom. And the other one might be a little harder. For this one, for mine, is very bent. I think it's from Emily. Emmeline is bending her cotter pins. Yeah, she is. My Emmeline is leaning to the side for some reason. And I always have these on, but for some reason she just starts going like that. She just starts leaning. It's weird. So next is the control box and the other pole. I don't know where the other pole went. Hold on. Right here. E to E. And then the control box is F to F. You'll know that if you put it on wrong, this pull should be in the front and this should be in the back. If this is right here, then well, I guess who kind of cares, because I don't know what's the differences, but I don't know. Next is the module. H on this side and G on this side. And then this is what makes her go. There's two wires, one coming from the module, one coming from the control box, and they're both labeled N for me. Sometimes they do change out, like every year, sometimes. You guys are going to want to go under, hold I, J and I. Make sure you put this one in, or I'm going to show you guys in about like a second what it will look like if you didn't pull I on, or J. Snap lock them in. There also is a hip loop, and there is Velcro around where the sensor is, and there also is a sensor wire. You're just gonna wanna. There's no like two colors. It's like simple. Yeah. Well, I accidentally messed up and I didn't put it on first. And where like on top of the control box, like not on top of the control box, but like if you just go up a little bit, you'll see them. So you just plug this in, and then there's Velcro around the rim of her dress. So you just have to, put this down and then Velcro around the whole thing, because now that could take a while because so after that long process, there should be a wire coming from the rim of her dress, and it should be labeled O, and of course that's for the sensor, and then you just plug it in with the wire coming out of the control box labeled O. Of course. Well, yeah, I would do the head next. Right there, labeled M right here. if you guys are wondering what this thing is, what you do is you put this cloth around this. And then what I do is after I put the cloth over, I just do this. You don't like that. Because why not, I guess. But first you're going to want to, put the wire in. Make sure it's not coming out of here because there's a hole down here, and yeah, it's just gonna come out from under the bow tie. Well, the bow I meant. Just want to feed it through, and then plug it in. And let me turn her. And like I said, grab this. Put her on the hoop. And then what I just do is I grab the hole for the bow, and I just, flip it over. I don't know if you're supposed to do that and stuff, but I do it anyways. Like that. So after you get the head on, fix her, whatever, however you want her. That's why I told you guys not to Velcro it yet. You grab the wire coming from her head, and it's labeled P, so you just plug it in with the P coming from the control box. Now you're going to grab the arms. They're both labeled L. I think they're both labeled L. Nope, the other one's labeled K. This one is for this side, and then this one's for the other side. Yeah, I think you guys will know which one's for which side, so I don't really need to specify that. And there's holes on each side of her arms, so you just have to find the box. I don't know what that. Oh, that's part of her back. So you plug this in. And you pose it however you want. I like to do this. There you go. And then you just put in the other one. And then you just do the same thing, you pose. Pose the arm. I don't think you want her like this. She's not like, no, like, well, yeah, well, she kind of is, a baddie. And then, adapter. I learned with her before that shouldn't use a different type of 6-volt adapter. I always say that all the time. You guys better listen to me. I don't want you guys to be upset and break your animatronics. So you use a 6-volt, the ones that comes with the animatronics, or one that came from an like a Spirit Halloween animatronic that you had. Or even another animatronic. I use Rosemary's. I think this is Rosemary's. I don't know. This is a 6-volt. I don't know. That's probably like one of my new props. I didn't take off any of the tags off of that. So you plug her in. I don't think she uses batteries. I don't think she does. Oh, she does. So you can use probably AAA batteries. No, it doesn't say. AA or AAA? I think it's AA. I think it's AA. I think it's AA batteries. There should be Velcro on the base. There should be Velcro on the base, but my Velcro on my base fell off. So I can't use Velcro, so I just, freeform. sounds like that. You guys can't really see it, but I'll pick it up. Hopefully she's not loud as much Charlie was. Let's roll a flashback. It's time to plug him in.
Want a little candy?
I knew it. I knew it was loud. Okay, here she is. I don't know. Her hair is really messy right now. I don't know why. Well, I don't put any hair on it when I put her away. So let's plug her in. Nope, this one doesn't work. She's the only one. The bottom row of my outlet doesn't work for some reason. It's weird. Oh, she's not even on. She's on sensor. Okay, now let's get a side view. Oh, lights off. Overall, she's really cool. I like the face sculpt. I like the hair. I like the arms. I like the dress. We get to the bottom. My phone's lagging. I don't know why now, but I like how she looks. There's her from the side. They did give her a long neck, which I thought was a little weird at first, but I actually like it because it makes her look more creepy. Instead of her head just being connected and it just looking, kind of, weird. But I think that she's really cool. $279, I think she was. Yeah, she was $279. Definitely worth it. I got her because my picture was broken, and I ended up using a wrong adapter for her. That's why I ended up doing a re-demo of her back in 2023, and she is really cool. I heard that people were saying that she has the same mech as the Scarecrow at Party City, but I think that she is a little better because she's still creepy looking. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.